informationalkids.tv.
Monster Truck Racing! Hey boys and girls, we're here at the Vidsville Speedway, and it's going to be real cool. Cluck and Greeno are going to race their monster trucks. Isn't that cool? And it's going to be real fun. Okay, you guys ready? On your mark, get set, go! Whoa, did you see Greeno's car do a wheelie? That was so cool. Whoa, he really went over that jump. Whoa, man, they jumped all those cars and went right across. Yay, that was a good race. Now, let's see that in instant replay. That was a ramp. Can you spell ramp? R-A-M-P. Ramp. Okay, here they go. They're going through some mud. Isn't that cool? Mud. M-U-D. Mud. Oh, that is so cool. They just jumped some cars. Jumped. Can you say jumped? J-U-M-P-E-D. Jumped. Well, it looks like it was a tie. Good job, Greeno and Cluck.
Until next time on vidsforkids.tv. Click the links below for more videos.